Okay, now remember, let's see how we deal with percentages. So, look inside. This is a fraction whose denominator is 100. The moment you see you have the denominator as 100, that number is already in percentage. Anything given in percentages means per 100. And the symbol for percentage is, as you see it, percent. Whenever you see this means percent. I think here now you are using this symbol. You have been using it so many times. So, decimals, comma, fractions, and percentages are cross-related as shown below. So, now let us group ourselves in groups of 10, 10. We are going to handle all these ones here. So, in groups of 10, open and complete the table. Here, this question is giving you, first of all, the ideas as you see. The first idea is telling you, they are giving the percentage, then how the fraction is going to look like, then the decimal. So 20% means that it's 25 over 100, 25%. It's 25 over 100. And when you compute this, is how we compute from fractions to decimals. And that's how we get that. They are giving you 30%, they are telling you it's now 30 over 100. Because now we say the percentage means the denominator is 100. And then when you compute, so we get this. Then you are going to compute this and this. Then here, in converting fractions into percentages, the same in your groups, you are going to do these three exercises at once. So you are going to do this. They are giving you a fraction, the conversion, they are showing you how they are converting to percentage. So when you have a fraction, you multiply with 100, then you get this. Then they are converted now from decimals to percentages. A decimal, they are showing you the conversions, then you have to, can you copy this? I'm giving you 15 minutes. I'm going to pause the video. Those on virtual, you're also going to try it out. Then I'm going to correct examples, then we see the next there. So, okay, start. Okay. 15 minutes are done. Let us handle these ones. I have group 1, 4, 6, and 7. So, group 1, they are having this one. For them, they are having here 15 over 100. Then they are giving this as 0.15. Then here they are having 44 over 100. Then 0.44. I think others can compete. So here they are having 9 over 100, and they are giving this as 0.09 in percentage, in decimal. So that's how I think they are right. This is very okay, this is very okay, this is okay. Okay, so now let me turn to group 7. So group 7, I'm going to use theirs in converting from fractions to percentages. So what they are having as the first is, okay, so they are having here 2 over 5 times 100. Is that step right? The rest you can exchange. So after here, for them they are having this as 40%. That's what they are having. Then next they have 3 over 4 times 100. And here they are having this as 75%. So give them a tick there, also there, and there. Okay. Then here they are having 9 over 10 times 100, which is very okay. Then the answer they are getting is 90%, which is also very okay. Okay, now let me use the next group when they are dealing with converting from decimals to percentages. So what they did here was they got 0.35 times 100, and for them they are having that 5%, which is very okay there. Then the next one, they are having 0.745 times 100, which is very okay. And then here they are having 74. So they are we agreeing here? So that one is, they missed something small, very small. So here, this means that we are going to shift this decimal here and then here because we have two zeros. So we shift it here and here. So this one is supposed to be 0.5%. So that's what they missed. Then here they have this one right, 0.8. Then here they got 80%, which is very okay. Here it's okay and there it's okay. I think the rest, even this one, they failed. But this group for it, well, that one has 0.955 times 100, which is 95.5%. So that's what they had to do. How many are having the all of these right? Okay, what about these ones? Okay, and this? How many got this right? This is the third and the last one. Oh, people were happy. Okay, so that's how we handle that. So you can put the marks, each is taking 1, 1. And then you give the owners. So these ones, let me also give you pick them after them. Okay, now let us get our attention to this number here. We have now what we call percentage increase and then decrease. But before we go to percentage increase and decrease, there is a simple number here. If you get something, it means that you have increased that percentage if you never had anything. So Jane was given 20% of 20,000 shillings, Peter was given 12%, and Marvin was given 30% of shillings, 20,000. Find how much did he? Find how much. This was supposed to be how much did each get? So there we try. So please, here we try for Jane. We are going to see how much Jane got. So Jane got 25% of. So 25% of 20,000 shillings. And we said of means, and now we saw that 25% is the same as, in the fraction, it's the same as 25 over 100. So this is 25 over 100 now times 20,000. So that we can easily go away with that one. Then this and this is 50. So meaning this one got 5,000 shillings. So this is the amount Jane got. So we come to Peter. Peter got 12% of 20,000. Now we write this as a fraction. From now here, now we write them as a fraction. So this is 12 over 100 now times 20,000. See these two are going to go away. Not by this we get 2400 shillings. So this is what Peter got. Then we come to Marvin. So for him is having 30% of 20,000. This is now 30 over 100 times 20,000. So these two zeros are going away. So there we have 6,000 shillings. So that's how much we expect each of them to get. This one get 5,000, this one 2,400, and then this one got 60,000 shillings. So this was part A. Then in part B, how much remained unshared? So meaning we have to first get the total. So all we get remain, then we subtract of. Okay, total shared was, so we add this, and this. So we have 5,000. So from there, we shall get, this one will give us 7,400 plus 6, we shall get 13,400. So this is the amount that they all share. So now, unshared, we shall get the 20,000, then minus what was shared, and then this is going to give us, I think, 6,600 shillings. So this amount was unshared. If they ask you to get a percentage, I think you know how you would have got a percentage. You get this over the total, then times 100. Or you get this, then you subtract, you'll be getting the percentage. So anyway, that's how you hand that. The activity, I'm sending to the activity. Go to learners and then you do that the second last activity, and then you bring it and I look at it. Then you organize these notes and you make your own notes. See you there.